Hi there and welcome to Wordpandit. Now when a task or a work is Herculean, usually it requires a lot of strength from the people who are undertaking that task. It requires a lot of effort, and at times even despite that it becomes difficult to complete a task. So yes, a Herculean task, a Herculean job is something that requires a lot of strength, a lot of efforts, especially if it requires some kind of a physical labor. Okay, if it requires somebody to be extremely powerful to be able to complete a job. Okay, now the first synonym that we have is arduous. Now again, when something requires a lot of effort, is extremely difficult by nature. A job, if it is extremely difficult, a task which is extremely tiring, okay, it will leave you absolutely tired once you're done with that job. Then you can say that it is arduous. It is extremely hard to do, something that is extremely difficult to complete. Okay, grueling on similar lines, when something is extremely tiring, demanding, okay, demands a lot of work out of you, you can say that it is grueling. Okay, it leaves you absolutely fatigued once you're done with it. Laborious, again, it requires, whatever is laborious would require a lot of labor, right? And it would require a lot of time from you, a lot of labor, a lot of time, a lot of effort. So anything which is extremely difficult to complete. Okay, backbreaking. Okay, very nice phrase here, backbreaking. Anything which is backbreaking requires a lot of physical work, so much that it would make you feel tired. But yes, please remember that it is anything which is backbreaking is not necessarily going to break your back. No, don't go by the literal sense of it, but yes, probably it might give you some body ache once you've completed it. Maybe you have to go on a trek, maybe you're climbing a mountain, or maybe you're just sitting on your desktop whole day working or studying. At the end of the day you will feel tired, right? So usually this phrase is used for physical labor, though, especially if you say you're moving from one house to the other. All that effort is going to make you feel tired. So yes, shifting to a new place is backbreaking work. Okay, now the next word that we have for Herculean, the next synonym is onerous. Anything which requires a lot of effort, and probably gives you a lot of trouble to complete. Any responsibility, any task or obligation can be called onerous. So I hope all of these explanations help you understand some good words today, and that is all for now. Happy learning.